Welcome to That's Greek to Me. And our word for today is Evangelion. Dear friends, peace be with you. This is Father Joel Camaya, Salesian of Don Bosco. Welcome to That's Greek to Me. And our word for today is Evangelion. The Greek word Evangelion means gospel or good news. And we find it in Mark chapter 1, verse 1. Arche tu Evangeliu Jesu Christu huioutou. What's that? The beginning of the gospel of Jesus Christ, Son of God. So, gospel. And it's a combination of eu, meaning good, like when we have the name Eugene, or it's also well. And then angelos. Angelos means messenger. That's why we have angel, angelos, messenger of God, or one who brings good news. In the New Testament, as what we have read, Evangelion refers to the good news of Jesus Christ. And what's that good news? It's what was being proclaimed, His life, death, and resurrection for the salvation of humanity. Actually, naririnig natin madalas ito, di ba? Yung ebanghelyo. Ano ba yung ebanghelyo? Yung mabuting balita. That's why, from Evangelion, we get several English words. Evangelist, someone who proclaims the gospel. Meron tayong mga may apelidong evangelista, di ba? And evangelical, it pertains to the gospel or movement centered on it. And then evangelism, the act of spreading the gospel. Now, as Christians, we are called to live and share the Evangelion, not just through words, but through actions. Actions of love, service, and truth, making the good news real in daily life. Binibigay ba natin mabuting balita? Yung good news, yan yung Evangelion. So we ask ourselves, how do we share the good news, Evangelion, to the people around us? And that's our word for today. May these words accompany us as we grow in faith. Meron ba mga salita sa Biblia na mas gusto nyo maintindihan at malaman kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Pwede kayong mag-comment, magtanong kayo at sasagutin natin yan. And, of course, I invite you to like, to share, and to subscribe.